Hi, my name is Marcel and I just finished the APC Barista course. Maybe in the future I want to work as a barista, and also I was always interested in how the coffee making process works, so I felt like this is a great opportunity to learn about it. I was surprised how difficult it actually is, like all of the details you have to look at, like for example how many grams you have to use, how many espresso shots like in this coffee and like all of the different cups you could use, and yeah, so I guess like the complication really surprised me. Before I didn't know anything. I guess I still need practice, but like at least I now have the basics, and yeah, now that if I have the opportunity I'm definitely will try to improve my coffee making skills. I guess I'll try to get a job as a barista and like try to show off my skills, and if that doesn't work then I'll just do it like as a hobby.